Well, the silicon was a complete failure in those gudgeon pins. We do have a plan. On a positive note, our number 2 oversized piston is in great condition, so that's good. But the number 1 here, what's going on?
We noticed it's scored up the bores on cylinder 1 a little bit from just that short drive, and it might be because it's a little bit rough still.
Yeah.
So the idea was, I think we're going to chuck it in the lathe and just smoothen it off in the lathe. Hope it works.
All right, let's go get it set up.
They call me the juggler, 'cause I always have 3 lovers, and I burn through Trojan rubbers like no other. But when I'm not between the sheets, I'm busy staying undercover. Ain't as sweet as it seems being the juggler. Hell, 'cause Edith likes eating at East of Eden, where Wendy works on Wednesday evenings in Donna leaves her laundry to door.
Just gonna give cylinder 1 a quick hone. A little bit of piston damage there. Uh-oh. Oh dear. Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah, that looks pretty good, eh?
Seeing if we got one flogged out journal on number 3, we're going to have to find a couple of bearings. And I think I know where to get some. Oh, here we go, boys. It's all back together.
Any leaks?
Oil's in it, kicker in the gut. Got a little bit more piston slap than before. Does it? It sounds pretty good. Oh my God. Well boys, that's pretty much it for the cam dog today. We've got her running again, no bearing knock. Got a little bit of piston slap though, but once she warms up it seems to be alright. I mean, what are we going to do, bore it out another 1/2 mil?
Nah,
No, it's going to be alright. So last but not least, we need to put this surge tank somewhere in the engine bay. We were going to mount this in the boot, but then we're going to run our new hoses and stuff up to the engine bay, and we're not going to keep this car going too much longer, so we're thinking put the battery in the boot and then we can mount this somewhere like that. That way we have nice and short Teflon hoses going to the fuel rail, and that should be about it. 400 horsepower, here we come.